What if every thought that you have, every slight irritation, every judgment that you have about the world around you or anyone in your world is actually just a reflection of how you see yourself? I want you to think about that, and I challenge you to explore that idea. Everything and how you see it is a reflection of how you see yourself. Perhaps not consciously. Perhaps it's this shadow side that's unconscious, that somehow you're not willing to fully face, and therefore it gets projected out into your world as condemnation and judgment. That's what this next lesson, lesson 187, is about. The lesson, though, does not talk initially about cursing the world, although that is sometimes what we do. It is challenging you to take that idea and reverse it and instead bless the world because you bless yourself. That's what it's called. Lesson 187. I bless the world because I bless myself. And in doing so, a new world opens up. Because you can choose to let go of the guilt and the shame and the fear and seeing yourself as unworthy and limited, a worm in this world. You can instead choose to see yourself as a child of God, made in the image of God. And in doing so, you decide that you're going to bless the world. There is a paragraph in this lesson that is just absolutely beautiful. Once you make that decision to bless the world because you bless yourself, now are we one in thought? For fear has gone, and here, before the altar to one God, one Father, one Creator, and one thought, we stand together as one Son of God, not separate from Him who is our source, not distant from our brother who is part of oneself, whose innocence has joined us as one. We stand in blessedness and give as we receive. The name of God is on our lips, and as we look within, we see the purity of heaven shine in our reflection of the Father's love. A while back, I had done this exercise for one day. It was a new exercise for me. Perhaps you've heard of it before, but it was new to me. And the exercise was take a day, as soon as you wake up, and whatever you experience, whatever comes your way, you stop and cease from asking one question which we automatically ask at all times. What is that question? What does this say about me? Anything that happens in life, how is this reflected on me? What does this mean to me? If you think about it, someone calls you, or actually you call someone and they say, hey, can I call you right back? And then you don't get a call back. What does this say about me? This person does not respect me. This person has priorities greater than me. This person ignored me. We get called in to our boss's office in the middle of the day. What does this say about me? Am I going to get yelled at? Did I do something wrong? Am I going to get fired? How is this a reflection on me? We cannot just let the event be neutral. We must ask the question, what does this say about me? So why do we do that? And can we cease for one day from doing it? I can tell you, when I did it for a day, I felt this energy just surge through my body. This freedom that I experienced was so wonderful because I wasn't spending so much energy judging everything that was happening as a reflection on me. So if that's what we're doing all the time, bless the world because you bless yourself. And that's all this lesson is asking. Choose to shift away from seeing yourself as limited and small and flawed and dirty and shameful and guilty and fearful and worrisome. Choose to just set all that aside. Guard yourself and place your attention instead on the joy and the freedom of knowing that you are a child of God, and therefore what you see is a creation of God, and it's worthy of your blessing. So that is lesson 187. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share these videos, and I look forward to future lessons with you. Thank you.